Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, when campaigning in Ponda, has claimed that Congress party is a party of looters. He has said, "Voting lokanchi ani lootaranchi party Congress party asa." He also claimed that Congress has a history of corruption, claiming that some of the biggest scams in the country took place during its rule. He also further stated that Goa suffered too due to such governors in the past. We all know how Congress was dislodged from the central government, even Goa government, by making allegations, and nothing has been proved even till today. I challenge Dr. Pramod Sawant to tell us which are the scams where the Congress people or the Congress government or anybody who was in the Congress has been, where y'all have made these allegations, have been actually convicted by any court. When y'all went for election in 2012, y'all spoke about one scam, the other scam, you spoke about Kolwale jail being ready to put this one, that one. What has happened? No court has convicted any congressman or anyone for that so-called scams. In fact, cases are being thrown out. This is the art of the BJP, to make allegations, then grab power, and then to loot. I want to ask Dr. Pramod Sawant, if Goa suffered, please name those Congress players involved who were corrupt, or due to which or due to whom Goa suffered. During elections, after elections, BJP accused some congressmen of corruption. Who are they? Are they with the Congress or are they now with the BJP? Has the washing machine done a proper dry cleaning? Honorable Chief Minister, I ask you, look at your cabinet ministers. I will start indicating the names and giving my remarks as to who are in the Congress and who went out. First, you're the Chief Minister, you're first heading the government. We have Vishwajit Rane, who's the Health, Urban Development, Town Planning, Women and Child Development and Forest Minister, who was a congressman, also a Congress minister before. Marvin Goodino we have got, who was a congressman, Congress minister, holding portfolios of transport, industries, Panchayat Raj, protocol and legislative affairs. Subhash Shirodkar was a congressman and a Congress minister before, who is holding WRD Corporation and Prover the rear. Rohan County was an independent who holds tourism, information technology, printing and stationery. Atanasio Monserato, whom you all know, is whom we call Babush Monserrat, holding revenue, labor and waste management portfolios. Ramkrishna alias Sudin Daulikar, power, new and renewable energy, museums, Goa Gazette and historical records. Nilkant Halankar also was a Congress MLA and a Congress minister before, who holds the portfolios of fisheries, animal husbandry and veterinary services, factories and boilers. And Subhash Valdesai holds portfolio of social welfare, drinking water, empowerment of persons with disability and river navigation. Digambar Kamath, who has been a chief minister of the Congress government, who is holding portfolios of public works departments, legal metrology and captain of ports. Ramesh Tawadkar, Dr. Ramesh Tawadkar, who is the art and culture, tribal welfare, sports and youth affairs ministers. Now if you look at this list, also don't forget Ravi Naik, late Ravi Naik, who has passed away, was also a congressman and a Congress minister. He was even a Congress chief minister before he came and joined the BJP. Now many others were also in the Congress who are your MLAs. Now my challenge to the Chief Minister, I am not asking you about the others. Tell us only of these ministers whom I have indicated were Congress before. Who are these people who you called corrupt, looters, scammers, rapists or criminals in your elections before, and now you are claiming that these were that congressmen were scamsters. So now this label of yours, which you are using as scamsters, looters, please tell us of these who are there. And if everything is fine now, that because they are in the BJP, have they been given cabinet berths if they were so bad and responsible for looting Goa? Have you kept thieves into your cabinet to teach you art of looting Goa professionally? Not enough of loot?
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.